Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Issue ACCA classes. So today we are going to discuss the topic that is not only useful for your exam, but it will be useful in your real life as well. So it will help you to take a smarter decision. And the topic name is relevant costing. So I know most of the students find this topic difficult, but trust me, by the end of this video, you will be pro in this topic. So in our daily life, we take a lots of decision, right? But there are some relevant as well as irrelevant things. But we only need to consider the relevant things in order to take the right decision. So let's understand the relevant costing. So basically, while taking the decision, we will only consider the relevant cost in order to take the right decision. So what is the relevant costing is? So relevant costing is a method we use to make a decision, and it helps us to focus on the cost that really matter when we are making a choice. If I need to say in the simple word what the relevant costing is, basically relevant costing looks the cost and that are going to happen because of your decision and ignores the one that won't changes. So let's imagine you are planning to go on the vacation, taking a leave from your office, and you are trying to decide whether to go or stay home. So when making this decision, you will encounter different type of cost, and today I will explain what these costs are using this travel example. So if you decide to go on the vacation, for example trip to Vrindavan, so you will need to book a flight or the train ticket to reach the destination place. So if you choose to stay at the home and continue your day-to-day routine, in that case you don't need to book your flight or the train ticket. That means you won't need to pay this cost. So this cost depend on your decision to go on the trip or not. That's why this cost is relevant, and this cost is associated with the future. That's why it is known as future cost. So now one more thing. Now you have decided to go on the trip to Vrindavan, but you need to book the hotel as well, right? So you will need to pay for the hotel only if you go to the trip. So if you don't go to the trip, this cost will not exist. So that's why this is again the relevant cost, and as this is associated with the trip, so that's why it is the incremental cost that will incur along with the flight or the train ticket. So this is known as the incremental cost, and this is again relevant. Now the key point is relevant costs are always linked to your decision and will only happen because of the decision that you choose to happen, right? So now till date we learn about the relevant costing. Now move to the what is the irrelevant cost. So irrelevant costs are the cost that don't change your decision no matter what you decide to go ahead. So these costs might be from the past or are fixed and won't impact your decision that you choose. Now imagine you have paid £100 to the hotel or the any agent to book your trip regarding all the accommodation, food, to arrange everything. You have just paid £100 for all these services, but it is non-refundable. So whether you go on vacation or not, that £100 is gone. It will not be returned since it does not affect your decision, future decision. So it's irrelevant, and this is known as a sunk cost. Suppose you choose to go by the car to the trip, and you charge a depreciation related to those car, but the depreciation is non-cash flow item. That's why it is not relevant. So only cash flow item which we actually paid out is considered to be the relevant. So now key point. So regarding the irrelevant cost, we ignored while taking the decision. So irrelevant costs are ignored when making decision because they don't change the outcome of the decision. Now here is the key summary of the type of cost. So here is a breakdown of specific cost regarding those travel trip. The first one is incremental cost. So there are some extra cost that you need to pay if you decide to go on the vacation, as I said, like hotel, food, etc. So next cost is sunk cost. So these are the costs you have already paid or incurred and can't be recovered. So no matter what you decide at the end of the day, but this cost is non-refundable. Example, as I said, non-refundable amount that we have paid to the agent. Now third is cash flow cost. These involve actual money leaving your pocket. Example, paying for the travel tickets, buying meal during your trip, etc. Other one is non-cash cost. These do not involve actual money leaving your pocket. So they are accounting cost. An example is car depreciation. Now one more cost that I left to be discussed is opportunity cost. So this is the benefit you are giving off by choosing one option over another. As I said, if I am a full-time employee and if I choose to go on the vacation, I won't get pay for that day. So I have left the opportunity by choosing the trip option over the rather than going to the office. Other example of the opportunity cost is, example, if you spend pound 1000 on a vacation and you are giving up the chance to save or invest that money. So this is the relevant cost because it affects your future decision. I hope now you are clear with all the types of cost related to the relevant and irrelevant. Now, I must say, by understanding this type of cost, you can make a smarter decision in your life and in the business. So if you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a good day.